Yeah, I'm restarting. I can save you somehow. And it's gone. It just goes. I'm so bored, I'm gonna sing a song. If I had superpowers, I'd save the world and you would be mine. Have no fear, your hero is here. Sense is telling me that danger is near. So I can watch your back. Who's ready to attack? I'm not a superhero. I'm not that kind of guy. I'm not that kind of girl. I'm running out of time. And I didn't come to lose. Fighting till you're mine. Comes around. Oh, you're in danger. Oh, I'm here to save you. I'm so bored right now. Give me my super love. Love for all this time. What I gotta do to make you mine. I'll take you down like a superhero. I'm not that kind of guy. You give me a try, cause I am running out of time. I know what I came to do, and I didn't come to lose. Oh, fighting till you're mine. What comes around, I won't be backing down tonight. Oh, I'm here to save ya. Give you my super love. Ah. Can't you see you're meant to be? Come with me and say you're mine. 'Cause I'm running out of time. I know what I came to do and I didn't come to lose. Oh, find till you're mine. Oh, you're in danger. I'm here to save you. Made up. Oh, oh, give you my super love. My super love. Super love. Give you my super love. Give you my super love. Right in front of you this whole time. Need no superpowers. No! Don't shoot the alien! What? Don't shoot E.T. Don't shoot E.T. Oh, look. I don't know if you guys can. People who are watching this can see it. Zoom, 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 zoom. Oh, there you go.
So there you guys go, my first original music video. I really hope you liked it. It was so much fun to make. And this is also the first time I'm ever selling a song.
Don't shoot E.T.
I'm really nervous about it, because I feel like nobody's going to buy it. So
I will.
if you liked it and you enjoyed it, please.
Thank you. I enjoyed it. E.T. has ouchie. No, we killed E.T. Put your hands up or this guy's gonna die. Where's the guy? Where's the guy? Where's the guy? Where's the guy? He's gonna get shot by my mama. What did I just say? Gonna get shot by some beer. Pew, 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 pew. It's been 5 minutes. Oh my goodness, this conversation is hilarious. Oh. No. No, he's dead. The Indian died. Okay. This is a very interesting conversation. And can you imagine this happening? Somebody texting you going, ho, 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 it's Santa Claus. And then replying, I want a planet full of unicorns for Christmas. Here, let's see if I can get this so people can see it. Focus, focus. I already told you that. Oh, she texted me back. Well, I was just arguing back and forth about me wanting a planet full of unicorns for Christmas. It's bothering me. Ah! Boop. Much better. Okay. And then she goes, no. And she said she's gonna have the demon child kill me, which is an inside joke because we're babysitting this one kid and she kept like, it was like Paranormal Activity all over again. Oh god. Oh. Yay! They're not dead! Oh, look at that yay. A lot of yays. Okay, well, this really hurt. Can we please go to the bar? No. Ah, you're so boring. Of course you don't, because you don't care about. Never mind. Okay. Well, you don't. Anytime I want to do something and you say no, we can't. It's not even cold out. Oh my goodness. The sun is out. Look, the sun is out. You had no problem in the backyard.
Yes, I did.
So why didn't you tell me? We would have gone in.
I did.
Well, I'm a very forgetful person. 7 times. Psh, maybe 2, but that was it. Did you just tell me to shut up?
No. I didn't know you shut up.
What'd you say? I thought you told me to shut up.
No. You need to shut up more in my life.
Well, I have. I say it a lot. No, I don't want the bleep app. I already have it.
Shut up!
Yeah, that's my phone.
Shut up! 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 Shut up!
I love the apps I have on my phone. Okay, wait. I have a lot more. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. No, I don't want it. No, later. Okay. Oh, probably because I have it on. Oh, that's lightning. Guitar solo. Punch. Ow, it sounds like it's a knife. Ow, getting punched with a knife.
That would murder you in a second.
Help!
Did you hear that?
Help!
Superman! One Direction, I love you.
Help!
Did you hear that?
Help!
Come on, Superman! Plugging in my phone, plugging in my phone.
Help! 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 Help!
That's nice pillow. Oh god, I just dropped it. Ray gun. This is my new favorite thing. I'm shooting you! Cartoon fanfare. I don't like that.
Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah.
Blah blah blah. Wait, go back. I locked out of it. Well, BB box. BB box. Insane laughing. God. Like a freaking psycho. Until next time. Until next time. I'm being serious now. I won't do it again. Oh, I'm sorry. I promise I won't do it again. Oh, my finger slipped. I won't ever do it again. Okay, goodbye.